Let's explain the dreaded document is not defined error in JavaScript. This error pops up when your JavaScript code tries to use the document object before it's actually available. The document object is the root of the HTML document, representing the entire page structure, and it's how JavaScript interacts with and manipulates the HTML elements. The problem is that JavaScript executes in different stages, and if you try to access the document before the browser has finished parsing the HTML and creating the document object, you'll get that error. This typically happens when you put your script tags in the wrong place, or you are trying to execute code too early in the page load process. Here's how you fix this. 1. Correct script placement. The most common solution is to place your script tags at the very bottom of your HTML file, right before the closing /body tag. This ensures the entire HTML is parsed before your JavaScript attempts to interact with it. This is by far the simplest solution. By putting the script at the end, you ensure the document object exists and is ready for your script. 2. Using DOM content loaded. A more robust solution for handling situations where you need to run JavaScript before the page fully loads is to use the DOM content loaded event. This event fires when the initial HTML document has been completely loaded and parsed, but it doesn't wait for images, style sheets, or other external resources to finish loading. You would attach your JavaScript code to this event listener like this: document add event listener, DOM content loaded, function. Your JavaScript code here, gahan. This makes sure your script runs only after the DOM is fully loaded, preventing the document is not defined error. This event listener ensures the script waits for the proper time. This method is cleaner and more efficient, preventing execution before the DOM is ready. B. External JavaScript files. If you're using external JavaScript files, which is good practice for larger projects, place the script tag at the end of your body, as mentioned above, but ensure the src attribute points to the correct file path of your JavaScript file. Again, making sure the browser fully loads the HTML structure is crucial. 4. Asynchronous loading, async or defer. If you're using external JavaScript files, consider adding either the async or defer attribute to your script tag. This will improve page load times and prevent the script from blocking the rendering of the page, potentially reducing the risk of the error. Async loads the script independently and executes as soon as it's downloaded. Defer loads the script independently, but executes only after the HTML has parsed. Understanding these attributes makes your page load smoothly and reduces the chance of this error. 5. Debugging tools. If you still get the error, use your browser's developer tools, usually accessed by pressing F12. They will help you pinpoint the exact line of code where the error occurs and step through the execution of your JavaScript. This helps locate and solve problems quickly. They allow you to step through code and identify the issue's root cause. Remember, the key is to ensure your JavaScript code runs only after the browser has fully parsed the HTML and created the document object. By following these steps, you can avoid the frustrating document is not defined error and write cleaner, more reliable JavaScript code.